Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a user account in Epicor. We'll go to the menu called User Account Security Maintenance. It's important to note that each company has its own way of creating accounts. Some companies use the email address as the user ID, while others create generic user IDs. This process may vary depending on company policy, but this will serve as an example. I'm going to create an account using my name. My email is Sánchez, so my user will also be Sánchez. I press tab and the system says record not found. Add new. I select yes. I type my name. Here we would need to create the address information. For example, street could be Apple 125, city Dallas, state Texas, and country USA. Adding a phone number or additional details depends on each company's policy. I put in my email and I click Save. Some of the most important fields include external identity. This is used when users log in to Epicor using an identity provider or IDP. This also depends on company configuration. You can use basic login, Azure, or an IDP. It all comes down to each company's security policies. If you use external identity, you can enable single sign-on. This means only one person can be logged in with that user at a time. Again, this depends on security policies. Here you can also define how many days the password will remain valid before it expires. Next, we go to the options list. For example, Security Manager is for users who work within the system and can access menu maintenance or manage security settings. In this case, I'm creating a generic user. I'll allow personalization, which allows users to customize dashboards or screens, such as rearranging columns. Then we assign security groups. Security groups also vary by company. Some are organized by job title, others by department or by access level, such as reports or dashboards. These groups determine which menus are unlocked. For this example, I'll assign Collaborate Creator and Save. This means the user will only have access to what the Collaborate Creator group allows. Next, we assign Company Access. I'll select New Company and add Epicor Mexico. Here I can see all the sites within that company. I submit. And the password is now active. I close this, go back, select Sánchez, and click the arrow. Since the password is blank, the system prompts me that the password has expired and asks if I want to change it. I select yes and set a new password. I click OK, and the account is ready. This is the account I just created. Under companies, you can see Epicor Corporation and Epicor Mexico, which are the companies I granted access to, and the available fields are determined by the assigned security group. I hope this video is very useful for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.